Ready to wed. Unveiling the meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the phrase, ready to wed. Whether you're a language enthusiast or planning for a big day, understanding this phrase is essential. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Ready to wed is a phrase that signifies a person's willingness or preparedness to get married. It encompasses not just the desire but also the emotional, financial, and legal readiness to enter into matrimony. When someone says they are ready to wed, they're essentially saying they are fully prepared for the commitment marriage entails. Understanding ready to wed requires us to look at the different aspects of readiness. Emotional readiness. Emotional readiness is about being mentally and emotionally prepared to share your life with someone else. It's about commitment, love, and partnership. Financial readiness. This aspect covers the practical side of marriage, including having the financial stability to support a wedding and a marriage. It's about being economically responsible. Legal readiness. Legal readiness implies that one is aware of and prepared for the legal implications of marriage, such as marital rights, responsibilities, and benefits. The phrase, ready to wed, also has cultural significance. In many cultures, being ready to wed is a major life milestone and comes with various traditions and ceremonies. Understanding this context is crucial, especially when learning English as a second language. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples of how ready to wed can be used in sentences. After years of personal growth and career success, I feel ready to wed. The couple announced they were ready to wed next summer. Are you truly ready to wed, or do you feel pressured by societal norms? And that's a wrap on the phrase, ready to wed. I hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Remember, whether it's about marriage or any other commitment, being ready is key. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.